Right now we are in Baba Saheb Bhimrao Ambedkar University preparing documentary on human trafficking. Human trafficking, most critical problem of today's world that is faced by mankind. Many government and non-government organizations are facing difficulty to eradicate this problem from the society. They are doing very much effort to eradicate this problem from the society, but still they are lacking somewhere. So we are conducting survey to dig out most suitable problem and take suggestion from the people that from by which we can eradicate this problem from the society and help the mankind to come out from this biggest problem. Human beings have right to live and express their opinion. If they are the victim of this kind of activity, then their liberty is violated. So our aim to conduct this survey to tap out most suitable solution for this.
To talk about human trafficking for further explanation. So human trafficking is the recruitment, transportation, transfer, harboring or receiving of people for force or deception with the help of exploiting for profit. And every year, many of the people like women, men and children are trafficked worldwide, usually in the United States and also in our country, India. And this is the very critical problem and serious problem for our country and also.
We were conducting surveys in our university and some questions were asked from the students of this university. What were those questions? I want to tell you. The question was, is there any emergency helpline exist in India at international level in case of human trafficking? And the next question was, has the government and public been protective in controlling this crime? And another question was asked from the public in this human trafficking survey. It was, which age groups are mostly victimized? Thank you.
First question is, what are the main elements in human trafficking? My fifth question is, can we stop human trafficking with the help of artificial intelligence? The use of artificial intelligence in human trafficking. Artificial intelligence is the simulation of human intelligence processed by computer systems. AI systems are given more amount of data than people, and they can analyze whole data with a single click. They can use a source of internet to gather more information as much required and to analyze them with a quick manner. Machine learning is in AI can be guided to take multiple source information in a quick.
Now I am going to explain the pie chart, which shows that how many people choose yes, no, neutral to answer the question. For first question, 66.67% people choose yes, 33.337% people choose no, 0% people are neutral. For second question, 33.33% people choose yes, 33.33% people choose no, 33.33% people are neutral. For second question, 50% people choose yes, 50% people choose no, 0% people choose are neutral. For fourth question, 41% people choose yes, 41.67% people choose no, 16.67% people are choose neutral. For fifth question, 25% people choose yes, 50% people choose no, 25% people choose are neutral. Thank you.
Going to tell the suggestions which are suggested by some people during this survey. The first, using technology based on AI to detect the location of the victims and develop AI algorithm that continuously scan the internet and social media platform for suspicious content related to human trafficking.
I am going to start the conclusion part of the survey which were taken by our teams on the topic of human trafficking. We can use AI engine traffic jam, which is used for facial recognition. It is a software to identify runways and missing people advertised on. AI can also be used for map geographic pattern that identify trafficking victims on their move. Or we can also host an awareness raising event to watch and discuss episode about human trafficking and support anti-trafficking effort in our community. Or we can also do College students can also take action on their campus, join or establish a university club, and raise awareness about human trafficking. Thank you.
Hello, I am going to continue the conclusion. And first conclusion is that many students need to be aware about artificial intelligence course and how they can stop human trafficking and help the government with artificial intelligence. And next one is that collaborate with non-organized organization, community and group and civil society to enhance prevention effort. And next thing is that about conclusion, human trafficking strength, then regulation and law affirmance advocate for comprehensive anti-trafficking law and policies that criminal all form human trafficking, provide protection for victim and ensure effective protection.
Move hard, not humans. Stopping human trafficking is our mission. Thank you.
You said